Why do people lose their hair? So many people experience hair loss during the pandemic and after the pandemic. And I myself had these symptoms. So I think most people experience some hair loss during the last few years. Why? So let me read a passage from my book, what it means to lose your hair. Your hair represents beauty, strength, freedom and power. Well, you lost that during the pandemic. Problems occur when you experience worry, stress, tension, thinking too much, and feel disconnected and lost. It's very common feelings and emotions that people experience all over the world, especially during the pandemic. You may also be pushing things forcefully rather than letting them unfold naturally. So this is the emotional pattern associated with hair loss. You need to become aware of this pattern and release it from your consciousness. This will help you to restore your hair and help your hair to regrow. When you become free, when you feel your personal power and you feel that, wow, I am beautiful, I am strong, I am connected to myself, I am connected to other people and to the whole world. We are all one. And just this notion in your consciousness will help you to regrow your hair. So of course you can use ointments and some treatments to rub into your scalp. This is all good and helpful, but if you still continue to feel disconnected and lost and feel that you have no power to live your life, your hair still will continue to fall out. So yes, you need to look at your diet, you need to exercise, and you need to have fresh air every day. But you also need to acknowledge the pattern and reverse it. Feel better, feel powerful, and feel that you are exactly in the place where you need to be right now. Say to yourself, I am exactly where I need to be right now. And feel this present moment. When you stay in the present moment and enjoy your life in the present moment, your hair starts to regrow. Another technique that helps you to regrow your hair is to feel subtle energy in your scalp, in the skin where the hair grows from. How to do that? You need to close your eyes, put your hands on your lap, palm side up, and bring your attention to the middle part of your body where your spine is. Take a deep breath in and out and push the air through the middle part of your body where your spine is. So you feel that your breath flowing down into your bottom and back up to the top of your head. Down into your bottom and back up to the top of your head. Your spine is where your chakras are located. So if you keep breathing through your spine, eventually you will align your chakras or energy centers. And this is so important to do this exercise to center yourself. So keep doing it at least for 2 minutes. Now bring your attention to your head, where your brain is. And now when you exhale, push the air through your head. In and out through your head. In and out through your head where your brain is. And don't allow any thoughts to come in. If any thoughts come to your brain, just tell, not this thought, not this thought. And visualize your thoughts flowing away from your brain as clouds. and you keep breathing through your head. In and out through your head. Until you feel silence in your head. Don't allow any thoughts to come in. If any thoughts come, just say, not this thought. And let them flow away from your head as clouds. Until you feel silence in your head. This is so important, to feel silence in your head. Silence means you switched off your logic mind and now you are connected to your intuitive mind. So feel silence in your head. Now bring your attention to your hands on your lap, palm side up. And now when you exhale, push the air through your hands, as if you are breathing through your hands. In and out through your hands. And focus on your hands until you feel tingling sensations in your hands. So focus on your hands and feel tingling sensations in your hands. Tingling sensations in your hands means subtle body energy. This is how you feel it, as tingling sensations. And this is so important, to feel your subtle energy. You start to feel it from your hands because they are the most sensitive body part to energy. So feel tingling sensations in your hands. Now bring your attention to your scalp. So the scalp is the skin where the hair grows from. And now start breathing through your scalp. So you feel as if you are pushing the air through your scalp, the skin on your head. So keep focusing on your scalp and keep breathing through your scalp until you feel tingling sensations in your scalp, the same that you felt in your hands. So keep breathing through your scalp, feel tingling sensations, and just keep doing it for at least 2 minutes every day. Follow the same technique, and I feel better already, because when you feel tingling sensations, you are connected to your subtle energy. And if you keep sensing energy in your scalp, in the skin where the hair grows from, the blood goes to the skin of your scalp, and it helps to rejuvenate the places where the hair grows from.